What is up, my handsome mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the fragrances I would buy if I only had $100 Australian to spend. But before I get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube and you want to see more, hit that big red subscribe button down below, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. First priority, if I only had $100 to spend, would be on a nice, natural smelling antiperspirant roll-on. I prefer a roll-on to an aerosol spray just because it's better for the environment. You know, we've got too much emissions as it is, and a nice smelling roll-on is always preferred in my opinion. The Nuit for Men's antiperspirant roll-on smells like lemon sorbet. It's very fresh and citrusy, but there's a tiny bit of sweetness as well, but it doesn't smell artificial or gross. Nuit are well known for being cruelty-free and vegan. This smells fantastic, and this has been my go-to antiperspirant for quite some time. The jury is out on aluminium in your roll-ons though, and your antiperspirant, so just if you're a little concerned about it, do more research and make the decision that's best for you. I got this for $10 at my local chemist warehouse, and it's been my favorite roll-on for quite some time. Prior to that, I was using Dove's Clean Comfort. Next up, for $25, is Versace's Blue Jeans. This is fairly versatile. It's not the most appropriate winter scent, but you can still pull it off in winter. And here we go. It's aromatic, it smells a little bit like Coca-Cola, but it's also got some like aromatic and citrus notes as well. It's very artificial smelling, but that doesn't mean it doesn't smell good. This is one of the few really powerfully artificial smelling fragrances that I think smells fantastic. Yeah, I usually chuck this on after I shower, and yeah, it is just fantastic, especially for $25. It's just well worth your money, and if I had a limited budget, this is absolutely going to be on that list. Blue Jeans also happens to last quite a while on your skin. This gives me over 8 hours of performance, and considering you're only paying 25 Australian for it, I think that's incredible value. Next up is one that is more appropriate for the colder weather, and that's Jacques Bogart's One Man Show Oud Edition. This doesn't get spoken about a lot, and I have no idea why, because it is incredibly powerful. It is a 24-hour plus scent, and the oud in this is artificial, yes, but it smells really luxurious and classy. It has a touch of that animalic oud quality to it, but for the most part it's a little spicy, it's woody, and there is actually a touch of freshness to it as well. This one costs $20 from eBay, and it is just incredible for the money. Yeah, it just goes to show you that I would much rather spend $100 on a bunch of different fragrances and have some choices than, say, just spend $100 on 1 million, which is incredibly overrated, overhyped, and it's boring. I would take One Man Show for $20 over Paco Rabanne's 1 million for $100 any day of the week. And finally, we've got the big ticket item here, $45 for Club de Nuit Intense for men. This smells like Creed's Aventus, and the power of this scent is in how versatile it is. It's an incredibly versatile scent, it performs like an absolute beast, it performs better than Creed's Aventus, and it is a monster for compliments. Nobody dislikes the way this one smells. And for $45, you'd be hard pressed to find anything better really. So that brings the total to $100. So we've got Club de Nuit Intense for men for $45, One Man Show for $20, Versace's Blue Jeans for $25, and the essential Nuit for Men Roll-On Antiperspirant. Obviously your list is probably going to look different, and there's no real wrong answers here. Let me know what your $100 spend would be down in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.